You've got 2 recipes you are sharing today
I know,
from your family recipe book.
And actually, these are from my other side of the family.
Okay.
My grandmother, my dad's mother, Mary Bernice Dubberly Munns, is a Southern woman.
Southern belle.
Southern belle and an incredible Southern cook. And she is known for her chicken dumplings and her incredible biscuits, but one of my favorite things that she made was what I call Southern s'mores.
Okay, now
right
hold on.
here.
There is no chocolate in sight. What
I
is
know.
happening?
Okay, think kettle corn. You know, the perfect juxtaposition of sweet and salty.
Yes.
That is what we have here.
Southern
Start
s'mores.
with saltines.
Okay.
And then you layer with cheese.
Okay.
I love sharp, always sharp cheese. Let's slice up a little bit more here. And then you top it off with a marshmallow. And I have to say, you can use any size marshmallow, the regular roasting marshmallow. These are jumbo marshmallows that I actually sliced in half. Top it with a marshmallow.
I am so intrigued.
And then you pop them in the broiler, only for a couple of minutes.
Okay.
I almost burnt down the studio
We're
just a minute
smelling
ago.
a little smoky. Vanessa's speeding things up.
My first attempt cooked a little bit too long. But as soon as they're the perfect toasty and the cheese is a little melted, you pull them out. You can top them with another saltine if you would like, or just take them with this the hot
Do we have some going?
marshmallow. No, I pulled them out. I pulled them out. This is what they look like.
Can I try?
Yes.
I mean, it's not the ooey gooey straight from the oven, but this is definitely not a TV bite.
I prefer mine without the top, just saying. Okay.
That's good.
This takes me back to my childhood.
I'm sorry, thanks for going down with me. That's a good girlfriend.
So,
someone who goes down with you on TV eating
as the
s'mores.
oldest of 12 kids, my dad, my mom and dad took turns in the kitchen. Okay. My dad's an incredible cook, but this was one of his specialties. And I have memories of him making pans and pans of them, the perfect after-school snack.
Oh my gosh.
And especially for my dad, a late night treat.
Well, sure.
Southern s'mores,
I
delicious.
am so intrigued at this.
Isn't it so good? It's unexpected. People think it's weird. You gotta try it. I love it. It's an easy recipe that even my kids like to make.
Yes, I did think it was weird until I ate it. Now I'm like, yeah, I'm in.
Okay.
Okay, second recipe.
Something else my dad always
As we're
makes.
chewing.
So, Sunday dinner at my house was a big deal, but not fancy.
Okay.
Okay? My dad loved to invite people over. Often at church, he would just see people and say, come on over, come on over.
I love that.
Sometimes it was literally just leftovers from the refrigerator. My mom would get out and make a fancy buffet of a leftovers extravaganza.
Like smorgasbord style.
Oh, you got a little.
Get me.
Mushroom right there. You got it. I got
Good
you.
girlfriend.
I got you.
Thank you.
But my dad would always make what he called his Sunday punch.
Okay.
And this, I whipped up a little bit here for you to try.
Okay.
Always started with Crystal Light. Maybe not the healthiest, but this is the base of the punch.
No judgment.
And then any juice that we had in the fridge, because I'm from Florida, we always had good orange juice.
Good OJ.
And then you need a little sparkle.
Okay.
Fresca is my dad's favorite
For a zip?
soda, so we always put a little bit in there. And you know, it's an improvisation.
Well, sure.
But you can never go wrong.
There's
with
no
these
like
3
measurement or
ingredients.
hard,
No.
fast recipe sheet.
But what
I've
do you
got
think?
marshmallow dripping from every
Sunday
finger.
punch. What do you think?
Cheers. Okay, that's refreshing.
Just good.
It's light.
It's just
It's
light.
light.
And it's always different. And I will say, no, hot tip, if you're gonna try improvising your own Sunday punch.
Tell us.
Do not use milk as an add-in. Because my husband, he kind of took on this tradition for our family.
What?
And he loves to just add anything in the fridge.
No.
And he was like, ooh, milk, this will be delicious. No, it curdles and it's disgusting.
Way
So,
too much liberty
don't use
with
the
that
milk.
recipe. Vanessa,
Yeah.
thank you so much. We love her for many reasons. Topping that list that you make memory keeping so easy for us.
Can I just, one other tip?
What, please?
As you are in the kitchen making memories, whether or not you're making something fancy or something simple like this, take a picture. I'm gonna grab one of these books
please,
from
yeah,
right
show us,
here.
show us.
You know, I'm all about holding on to our memories.
Yes, I was leading right into that.
And we just recently made these Southern s'mores in our family over spring break.
Look
and
at
I
you.
snapped a photo, and it is here. The last photo in my April month book.
There it is.
Okay.
Well, food,
enjoy the memories, capture the memories.
Food is memory. I mean, that's the whole point of this series.
But so often we're so busy eating it and enjoying it that we don't think to take a picture. Maybe at restaurants we do because the presentation is always so spectacular.
So luxurious.
But even this, kids hunkered around this, eating their s'mores, you want to snap a picture of that,
this is
hold
love.
on to that. That will
All right,
be
your
a
month
memory you'll
books are kind of the new fun thing.
Yes.
Newer fun thing.
It's a subscription, 30 photos every month of the magic of your everyday lives.
Which is what we celebrate here and what I know you honor at Chatbooks too. Vanessa, thank you so much.
Oh, it was my
Southern
honor.
s'mores and Sunday punch. We are here for it. There's really no recipe, but we'll link you to this from our website if you want a refresher on just how ooey and gooey the marshmallow with the cheese should be in your mouth. That's awesome. Thank you for playing.